Okay, Philly, today we're going to read the story Sam Finds the Party by Regina Velasquez, illustrated by Erin Ader Khan. Luisa was very excited. Phil's party was going to start soon. Phil was the new kid in Luisa's class at school. He invited everyone in the class to his birthday party. Luisa picked up the gift for Phil. Dad, she said, come on, I don't want to be late. Luisa ran to the next house and knocked on the door. Max and his sister Sam came out. I'm Max's assistant, Sam said. Max looked down at a piece of paper. It had drawings and street names on it. Phil gave me a map to his house. I think his house is on this street. What do you think? Luisa agreed. Everyone walked down the street. I know where we are going, Sam said. I know where the party is. Luisa did not believe Sam. That's very nice, Sam, but we do not need your help, Luisa said. The map will show us the way. The map will not fail us, said Max. Soon they saw Taylor. He was in their class at school too. He was lost. Where is the party? Asked Taylor. We know where to go, Luisa said. Do you? Asked Taylor. I know the party is in Maple, but is it on Maple Street or is it on Maple Road? The map will say if the party is in Maple Road or Maple Street, said Max. I will look. Okay, said Taylor. But please read the map fast. We are going to be late. I see both Maple Street and Maple Road on this map, but I don't know where the party is, said Max. Sam jumped up and down. I know where the party is, she said. Stop jumping, Sam, said Louisa. Just then Louisa saw Keisha. Keisha was in their class at school too. Mom told me how to get to the party, Keisha said. Phil's house is on Maple. We know, said Max. But is the house on Maple Street or Maple Road? I don't know, said Keisha. I will look at the map again, said Max. The map does not help us, Louisa said. Maybe I will call Phil and ask for help, said Keisha. We are going to be really late for the party, said Taylor. Sam jumped up and down again. Stop jumping, Sam, Louisa said. Sam got mad. She waved her hands and shouted, I know where the party is. I know where the party is. Sam shouting is not polite, said Max. Everyone put their gifts on the ground. They looked at the map again. They looked at the street signs. Did they go left or right? Oh, said Louisa, we will miss the party. Then Sam climbed on top of a big rock. She looked around, she smiled, she laughed, and then she pointed. Why are you laughing? Max asked. We are lost. But Sam still pointed. Then she jumped up and down again. I see the party, said Sam. You can see it too. Walk around this rock. Everyone walked around the big rock. They saw the party. Phil's house had balloons in it. Phil stood outside the house and waved. Look, the house is on the corner of Maple Street and Maple Road, Louisa said. Thanks, Sam. You're smart. You clear up the mystery. You have more wisdom than I thought. Max looked at the map sign again. This map was a lot of trouble, he said before tearing it up. I want cake, said Sam. You can have the first piece of cake, everyone shouted, and Sam smiled. Okay, Felly, that was all. I hope you enjoyed the story of the week.